Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 55 four-door wagon. Now if you got any questions on it, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of it, and then we'll get it out on the highway for you as well. As you look across the front, you'll notice that all the chrome and stainless is in great condition. It shows a little bit of age, but is really nice for this car, which makes it for a great cruiser. You can also take the opportunity to look down the driver's side. You can see it's got beautiful body lines that run from the front all the way to the back. As you come on around the driver's side, you'll also notice that your gaps here at the doors are even and symmetrical, and that all this stainless down the sides is in great condition as well. Before we go on around, I want you to come on up. We'll take a look here at the interior. On the inside, it's done in the two-tone color combination, which is the factory option for this car. As you look across the dash, you'll notice that everything's in great condition. Now the factory gauges are working here in the dash, and you'll also notice that it's got the upgraded temp and amp gauges below the dash, which are working. You can also see that the radio has been upgraded to a digital knob unit, and it is working as well. Now as we come on around, you'll notice that the door panels are in great condition, along with the seat covers, carpet, and the headliner. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue on around the outside. You'll notice how great that door shuts and fits. As you come across the back, you'll notice that all the chrome and stainless back here shows a little bit of age, but still has a brilliant shine. You can also see there's some light imperfections in the paint, but the body on this 55 is absolutely rock solid. Now as you come on around the passenger side, I'll take a step back. That way you can get a good appreciation for the stance and how beautiful this car is. Now the Seamist Green and the White two-tone is a beautiful complement to this body style. You also notice that it's set off by the 15-inch Americans on the corners with new hand-cooked tires. Come on up and we'll take a look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. Under the hood, you'll notice it's got the 265 engine, which is a dead giveaway by the top-mounted oil filter. Now this car is a factory V8 car, so this is the correct engine for it. You'll also notice it's got the correct intake and has been upgraded with the Edelbrock carb. It's dressed just like it would have been in 55 with the factory-style valve covers. Now you also notice it's got manifolds with dual pipes that go out back, and this car does have power brakes with disc on the front. Now when you get this 55 up in the air, you'll notice that all the floor pans, floor braces, and the frame are rock solid on it as well. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this 55, we'll get it out on the highway for you as well. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, and you can see this car along with the rest of our inventory at SmokyMountainTraders.com. Now let's get this Chevy out on the highway for you so that way you can see a good look of it on the road.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.